Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody's having a great day. Well, today we have another unbagging. That means we have another review. Let's see who this is from. I can get it undone. It's like they tried to make it a smaller bag. Well, we got a cross stitch and a diamond painting. And this, let me get that out of the way, and the scissors, is from ColorfulDIY. And we'll start with the diamond painting, and it was $11.99. It is a 50 by 60, so it's not very big. And this is kind of a nice big bag. Let's see if I can get this. It's a bigger bag than most of them come in. So we might be able to get that puppy back in there. Alright. So, it's got lots of beautiful colors in it. It has 24 colors. Let me get it this way. I will put a picture, since it's so wide, I'll put a picture of it here. And that way you can see. It is a phoenix rising out of the fire. Whoops, I'm losing stuff. Hold on. Hang on. Hold that thought. Oh my goodness. It was the boat. You get 3 pieces of wax, a boat and a pin, and a 3-placer. And you have all your colors in baggies. Aren't they beautiful? I hope you can see all those. Let me put it this way and then turn it towards the light. But lots of yellows, oranges, reds, and of course probably 310 black. Yeah, 310 black. No 939 though. So yeah, and I'm glad they're in baggies. But I thought it was a beautiful painting. So let me see if I can bring it up as much as I can. It's like 2 of them. There's one here. Or he's rising from the ashes. I don't know how that's supposed to be interpreted. And it does have some nice, hang on, I'm trying to lift, red flowers down here. And there's some more down along this, down along this edge. I was pushing it in the wrong direction. So it's not very big. It's in really good shape. Very sticky. And it is a round. I had to look. Sometimes I write down if it's a round or if it's a square, but you know me, I really don't buy a square unless absolutely have to. But I think it will lay down just fine. Let me see if I can, oh my goodness, everything's falling off of my desk. Hold that thought. Let me see if I can measure. I will try. It is 59 by 49.5. Actual picture is 44 centimeters or 17.25 by, hang on, 53.5 or 21 inches. So it's not too big. It's almost square. You know what I mean? But I'm going to take this jacket off because it's just causing more problems. But yeah, I just thought it was beautiful. And I just loved all the colors in it. So yeah, for $11, I thought it was a real good deal. Let me get my thing so I can wrap it all back up so everybody stays together. And I will write in the margin right up here who it was from, but in the margin of the diamond painting, or on the outside of that bag if I can get it back in that bag. You know, some days, push come to shove, we may or may not get it in there. Alright, on to the pre-stamped cross stitch. I think they got it in a big enough bag here. Holy cow. Let me get that out. Nice big bag of stuff. Does come with 5 needles, poof ball, thimble, and a needle threader. And we have a plum blossom or apple blossom or cherry blossom or whatever. You get the picture. Now, this is not a real good picture, but it's like a farm scene with the sun coming up and shining out over the land, and there's a little lake. There's even a, what do you call it, windmill right there. It looks so much better in the camera than it does in person. But yeah, it's a 60 by 40, so it's going to be landscape skinny. Comes with a nice big pattern. It has 40 colors. It reminded me of kind of a Currier and Ives type print. I'm not sure that it was or it wasn't. So let's see. We've got 310. We've got pretty muted colors, you know, like subdued, old picture looking, not picture, but painting looking things. No 939. We do have 3371, which is a dark brown. And no 3862, but this is a nice big piece of paper. It does come with all the instructions down here. So that's nice. And let's take a look at the colors. These are going to be really, you'll see what I mean more by muted colors. It comes with a skein of this gray. Looks like, yep. Well, I thought it was 415 actually, but I mean 415, not 414. But it's still a gray. And then we have 317, which is kind of a dark or a medium charcoal, if you will. So that'll be pretty. That's probably part of that sky. And then you have all these other beautiful colors. There's no marking as to the product number on here. So you've got tans and golds. And then you have muted greens. And you have some cream colors for those sunbeams that are coming down. But I just thought it was really pretty. The name of this is Light of Dawn. It's what it's called. But beautiful colors. Just beautiful. There's even a bit of orange in there and a bit of like a navy blue. The rest of it is pretty darkish colors. But yeah, I just thought it was pretty. Let's see here. We're going to have to fold this all up again. Get everything together. So, goodness gracious. Goodness, I'm going to put it in this bag, so hang tight. I don't want it to get separated. I lay down sets of stuff before I've marked it, and then I'm like, okay, what does this go to? Yeah, that happens all the time. It's kind of a lightweight canvas, lighter weight than some of them. It is serged all the way around. Nice big, very printed. It'd be interesting to see what all the house and the barn and all that all looks like. Nice printed, excuse me, nicely printed key. And the serging is way out here, so it doesn't interfere with the numbers if you need to see those, but very easy to see. And the canvas is printed very nicely, so you can see all of the nice, you know, symbols and stuff. Let's take a look since we got it all strung out here. It is pretty close to 60. 60 by 40, isn't that what I said? And it's like 40 and a half down that way. Actual is 21 inches or 53 and a half. 21 by about 13 3/4 or 34 and a half, a little over it, 34 and a half. So yeah, it's a nice size. It's not too big, not too small. It does have large areas, and it does have some confetti, you know, here and there where the grass and everything else comes together, but there are like ribbons of color throughout the whole thing. So I think it'll be beautiful. Just beautiful. And for $11, I thought that was really good. Yeah, $11.99. The diamond painting and the cross stitch were both $11.99. Now, Colorful DIY has free shipping on orders over $69. If they have any buy one, get one, that kind of thing, or specials going on for Christmas, I will let you know. They have cross stitch, diamond painting, and embroidery and crafts. They have tools and craft also for diamond paintings. And they usually have a big selection of all kinds of, you know, stuff. So there's never a time I go there that I can't find something that I need or want. So do check them out. Thank you, Colorful DIY, for sending me these beautiful kits. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.